Hi beautiful, and welcome back to another video, and welcome to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful gorgeous dark skin. I'm so in love with her skin. I just love dark skin, honestly. So we have this makeup transformation. I had already done the skin prep off camera. Yes, so I just went in with the foundation process. The foundation is really lightweight. I just wanted little on the skin because there's really no much coverage to do. She doesn't have any dark spot whatsoever. It's just pimples, yeah, but her skin is so amazing. For concealer, I'm using the Blossom concealer, yes, in 03 and 02. The lighter shade will be in the inner corner of the eyes, of course, and the darker shade will be on the outer corner. For dark skin, what I like to do is to focus more on the highlights than the contour. Then for light skin, I emphasize more on the contour than the dark skin. Yes, please, if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because you do forget to click the like button. Please don't forget to do that. Thank you so much. So now I am going to just blend that out, and I'm going to blend in a tapping motions. Yes, the powder that I use to set is the Avour powder in shade 03. It is beautiful for dark skin. It is soft too as well. Yeah, so that is the powder that I use to set. Okay, so now I'm just going to set. I'm going to tap that in one layer. I go into one layer by one layer, and you can see how smooth that under eye is looking already. Those dark circles, the dipping and all of that, it's gone, honey. It's gone nowhere again. So I'm basically setting all the areas that I highlighted. Yuppie, yes, I love that. So yeah, these are the areas basically, and I do love the Avour powder. Shout out to Avour, they are doing so amazingly well. Yes, so afterwards I did go in with my Micolor, of course, my Micolor powder palette, and I'm going to use her exact shade to set her entire face. Okay, I'm going to set. Now I know when you saw me setting the under eye, you were like, huh, what's going on? Why is that under eye like that? Relax, okay, trust the process. One thing I can guarantee you, you're not leaving my seat looking very plastic and like you have makeup on, so don't worry yourself, okay? Yes, you can see. So I'm using that same powder palette to, set more under the eyes. Yuppie. Have you subscribed yet? Okay, just click on it. So for blush, my Micolor blush palette, I use that purple shade. I just wanted some flush of color. She always go for nude. She doesn't even want anything, just her foundation, highlight and contour, and brows and lashes and lip gloss. But today I did convince her, okay, you know what, let's do a bit of color. She said, okay, let's just see how it goes. And yeah, I did that on the skin, and you want to see her review at the end. Yes. Okay, so over to the eyes. This is the Flawless Ivy eyeshadow base. This eye look, you really need to pay attention because it's a bridal eye look. Okay, I would do this for a bride. So for the eyeshadow, I used the Blossom eyeshadow palette. I went in with that yellow shade first, okay, to start creating the base for my transition. Then I went in with this burgundy. It's looking pink on the eyeshadow, but okay, well, it's like a burgundy shade, so I'm going to use that to blend the outer corner into the crease. Then going in with this black and brown shade, I'm going to focus that more on the outer V. Yep, I'm going to blend that into that pink shade. Okay, please make sure to blend and blend and blend. It is so important, guys, so important. Yes, so this is me blending and blending thoroughly. So I'm going to go back in with that same brush that I used, and I'm going to blend between the lines of the black and the burgundy shade, making sure that there are no harsh lines whatsoever at all. Next, I did go in with these 3 green shades from that same Blossom eyeshadow palette. They have everything you need in an eyeshadow palette, honestly. Okay, ready from your brow, for your brides and your everyday makeup look, basically. So I went in with that green shade first, yeah, and I went in with some glitter, honey. I went in with a green glitter. At first, I didn't know what I was doing. I'm like, let's just go with the flow, and I'm so thankful to the Holy Spirit for this. So next, I went in with this pink glitter, and I used that to blend between the blue and the green, and this is amazing. So I used the black to blend it so very well, dipping that up so that it can look more presentable. And I still going back in with that same brush to blend. I have a detailed eyebrow tutorial in my other video, so please check that out. I'm not sure I did a brow. I didn't show the brows in this video. So I went ahead to dust off that excess powder, and now I'm just smudging the under eye with this black. Yep, I did lose some footage. I'm so sorry. My iPhone be doing the most sometimes. But oh well. Look at her under eyes now, so beautiful. For lips, went in to line this brown, and I did go in with a nude shade basically, and I applied gloss just in case you do not see that footage. But this is the footage of me lining the lips and making sure to, because this lining is just like contouring your basically shaping the lips exactly, so it has to be on point. Please guys, I'm on Instagram at _beautyhq for amazing bookings. Yeah, so you can book me over there, send a DM, and you can also follow me on Instagram. So I went ahead to pop the lashes, and I just put that same blue that I use in the inner corner. Look at the brows, look at the eyes, look at the lips. Oh, so I'm just blending between the blush and the under eye. Smooth. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Holy Spirit, for this gift. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Yes. So for highlighter, I went in with my Micolor. Yeah, it has a highlighter on it, and that is very pigmented. I've been sleeping on it for a while now, but now that I know, I ain't leaving it. To spray, I'm using my Kiss Beauty setting spray to set the entire face down, and I'm making sure to protect the eyes because you don't want the spray to start cracking things. Went in to coat the bottom lashes with some mascara, and honey, can you see this look? Your dark skin is safe with us. Send us a DM at _beautyhq to book your slots. Okay, yeah, I'm going ahead to apply some glow, honey, because it's so important. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until the next video, please make sure to stay beautiful. Bye bye. It's a good color. Finally.
Yes. And I'm sitting pretty, glowy, glamorous. Thank you. I think it's going to be my new look now.